everybody, it's Cassie from HelperTech here at HelperTech Burnsville. Just going to talk to you about some iPad repairs that we can do. You know, you give them to the kids, they play with them, they break the screen. We can replace that. You know, if your battery starts not lasting very long, you know, it should last all day, but if you're only getting like 4 hours out of it, we can replace that. Charge ports wear out over time, both on the older 32 pins and the newer ones that, you know, have the lightning charger. Also, if you drop it and maybe it lands on a rock and it actually bends the frame up, maybe around any of the buttons or around the port, or if it breaks the screen causing that, we can fix the frame, we can fix the buttons. All that stuff is replaceable on an iPad, and actually most parts on an iPad are fixable. Most iPad repairs can be done pretty easily. Those repairs do sometimes take 24 hours to do just because a lot of those screens are held on by adhesive and they've got to sit in clamps, but they're all repairable. So if you want to stop in or have any questions, you know, give us a call. Phone number is 651-605-2575. Otherwise, we are located in Burnsville off of County Road 42. Stop in. We're open 10 to 6 during the week and Saturdays 10 to 3. You guys have a nice night.